Okay, so what is unembedding? Well, embedding was the process of taking a number representing a word. So let's say this number represents hello. And then assigning a meaning to this word, which is described by a list of numbers. And this list of numbers, for the example of a cat, would represent different aspects of the cat, like how many legs it has. Like we would have one number for how many legs it has, one number representing the fact that it's furry. So we take a number representing a word and we transform it to the meaning. That was embedding. Now, unembedding is the process of going from a meaning, from a list of numbers representing some meaning of some word, back to the original word that we're trying to say. Now, this doesn't tend to match precisely any single word, because a word is a representation of something very specific, and the meaning doesn't necessarily have to fall into any of the categories precisely represented by the word. So this set of numbers won't be precisely any word, will just be very similar to one of them. So what we do is we compare this list of numbers to every single word we know. We will compare this to cat, we will compare this to hello, to the meanings associated with these words. We'll compare it to man. And based on how similar this list of numbers is to the list of numbers we've given to cat, hello, and man, we will assign a probability that this is the word we were thinking of. Let's say it's not very similar to man, so we'll assign that a probability of 0.1. It's not very similar to hello at all, so that would be 0.01. It's very similar to cat, so we'll assign that a probability of 0.9. And then what happens is that we randomly select one of these based on their probability. Since cat has the highest probability, this is the most likely next word. And then out of the large language model, based on the meaning for the next word that it predicted, we can identify the word it was talking about. And that is the process of unembedding. It's converting the meaning for the next word into the next word.